Phi Baro. Kani kadai kadodashan Meghalaya, pani pediang subhai Phi Baro, syakathop kubor benta gajan mit. Shwaban pai syaki kubor ki babnia ngini pechwa yakimat bakongsan. Let tep kerteng Menteri Rang Badu Kavi Narendra Modi na Varanasi na kabenta kasyuki Lok Sabha ha kasian kabalai. Kacing pentre yakadam ha yam kala banyai beteng hadu unaitung don jingduna boarding ha gajala ong Menteri katanat boarding. Yasoi soskular ke India bat ke Iran na kabenta ban pentre kam ya ka Shahid Beheshti Port ha Chabahar. Ya kendu jing ki pat ba namar ke jing bom penyaso ya ki job card bat u adhar. Bat Shibun ki jing penjat penpra ya ki lum Haribhoi district Pak Tokit u deputy commissioner. Ki khubor ki babnia Unong yalam kaseng BJP bat bolong ru Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi ula thep kerteng yalade na Varanasi constituency na kabenta kasyuki Lok Sabha. Kacing thep wud kaban long ha Varanasi ha kawat kabahnyau bat kabakhaddu chong ka election Lok Sabha. Bat menta kasi kandai kabakhaddu chong kacing thep kerteng na kabenta kani kawat. Nengkong utay Menteri Rang Badu ula late chagajaka kabakhuat chong kaganga bat hadian ba ula yo ya gijingkerku na kagal Bhairav the Kotwal chong ka Khasi ula late sa syakate kacing thep kerteng. Kacing pentre ya kadam ha yam kan yai biteng hadu unaitung menta usnem namar kadang don kam ban marabot penbha ya baro kijing don kam Menteri katanat boarding UAT mondal ula ong ba na kaliang ka sarkar kalapen khamti ha ka IIT Guwahati na kabenta katei ka kam kacing pentre ya katei kadam kalasdang nadu uno pra hadu kelalingkot bat nadu katei kepor kipat ba kibalet chinglet na kitay gijaka klamat igicing na kadaw kacing dahengkali ha kaway pat kalyang Menteri katanat boarding ula ong ba gajala kadang biang ha kacing sam boarding uti Menteri ula yathu ru ba ki unit chong ka mentru leshka hydro power project kidang trekam bat ka unit ka balai ru kala ban sedang ya kacing trekam ha ujeliu.
Yeah, we may go past July. We'll try to finish it off by July or first week of August and all these things. Because in concrete, it is in bitumen. What happens when we lay the bitumen? Vehicle can travel on that. But when we go for RCC, we cannot allow the vehicle to pass on top of the casted. You are aware that we have engaged IIT Guwahati for our technical support and all these things, and we are working in sync with them, including the contractors who are working there.
Menteri katanat CNRD UAT Mondal layathu ba ki babuan kinong pendan kam ya ki job card hapo ka scheme MGNREGA ha gajala kimpat syam la penyaso ya ki job card jengki bad u adhar kabalong katkum kacing betha na ka sarkar pedeng bat kani kawanra gajing ka bakraw ula ong ba ka bakhambuan ka pisa hapo ka scheme MGNREGA na ka benta gajala Meghalaya kalawan lengba ka sarkar pedeng bat namar kacing slam ban pendep ya ka election kacing poi ka pisa kalabu jing na ka benta kinong pendan kam ya ki job card.
Mentioned those in your letter.
Yeah, one big problem we are facing is that other-based payment system. This is creating a lot of problem for us because many of the job card holders have not linked their job card with other. So now Government of India has made it mandatory to have all job cards to be linked with other. So this is a lot of problems. We requested our new Chief Minister to write to concerned minister. He has already written, and very recently I have again written to him. This is one challenging factor we got to see till all the job cuts are being linked to other cut.
Shibun kila ujor halor ke jingti bat pen pra bi an ya kilum kabalawan ra ke jing penchat pen pra ya kilum kiwa Harib Hoi district na kaliang u deputy commissioner ula shimkhia ban tokit halor kani ka benta khamtam ha ki benta chong ka bernihat shadu khana para ki badang hap hapo kani ka district u deputy commissioner Harib Hoi u arpet upadya ula ong bakani kalong kamat kabakta ya kamay mariang bat khamtam ya kal air ulayatu baya ka special committee lathaw na kabenta banshim ya ka jingto kit ka babnya halor kani kabenta.
And whenever we have received earlier also, in that case inspection has been done and matter has been forwarded to DFO territorial to take necessary action, and certain action has been taken from the DFO side also. After that there was one committee from KHADC also. They have also visited the locations and taken necessary actions. And last week also we have received one more complaint that similar kind of earth cutting is going on, because of which there is a deterioration of air quality. So for that magistrate has been deployed, and action will be taken on that accordingly.
Unong Aiktien jong kaseng BJP Meghalaya bat ubadeiru upulet balasong thaj uba Mariahom Kharkrang ulapan pau gajing khuslai halor gajing syak thang ki kali pulet bat kimar ki balalong trai da ka sarkar uba Kharkrang ulaong ba kini ki jing thombor ki pen I ya gajing bom yar ha gajing mut jing perkhat jeng ki briu bat kalawan ra ya gajing bom syong sngan ha gajala te komta na kaliang uba Kharkrang ulaken tu ya ki bor pulet ba ki dei ban le aa persya ya kum ki te ki riu shim kabu.
Impact on Shillong.
From the party side, we are quite concerned about it, and because one thing it indicates a very negative, picture outside, and it also brings about a sense of insecurity in the minds of the people. This is some of the incidents which have occurred.
Kidukot jong kaseng hinyo trap youth council nongstoin kilayo ban kem ya sawut ki basuba ba kidei ki nong khayi drop bat ki bayat ban de drop hayo nongstoin henin kasngi kini ki drop ki kenthop ya ki kanja ki tiar inject bat ki jing de kiat bi an ya ki te ki drop la thang no hakaba la ya don lang ki bor pulet bat ki patba kani kalong kasien ka baar ya kaba la le da kaseng HYC ban kem ya ki nong khayi drop hayo nongstoin uba Oliver Twist Marngar uba long vice president kaseng HYC nongstoin circle ula kentu ya ki weipat kiseng bhalang bat yaman la iwei pa iwei bakin yasno ktilang banya kon persya ya kini ki jingsniu
nila yasnok tilang da kajing yasnran lang kajing trelang ki rupai ba ki salong kmi ha ki babuan giliang nila la ban khanra ha kani kasni ki ba mata nila la bru ya ki nong di drop ki nong khai drop komta te hadin ba nakaliang jongi kum kasyang nila lap pat nila yo kem ya kini ki bru ki ba di drop nila bat eki bat nila IT eki sekipulet bat ya kini kitiar ki ba maki ki pindon kam kum ki drugs bat ki we nila thang mat bat ki police
Kari India bat kari Iran mentakasi kilaya soy ya ka soskular ban pentray kam ya ka Shahid BHT port ha Chabahar Menteri Jangkatanat Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Usar Bananda Sunowal, ula sakhi ya gajinga soy, jong gajing menjur hapadeng ke India Ports Global Limited, bat ka Ports and Maritime Organization jong ka Iran. Haba ay jingkren ha kani kasngi, Usunowal, ula ong baling ba kani gajinga te soskular, kalong kanong rim banwanra gajinga day kabajan, jong ka India ha Chabahar. Daki spa ngut kinong pitkai kilawan ban sakhi ya gajing le niam tenrai bat gajing aingu chong gashat suk mensiem kaba arphulai hanong stoin West Khasi Hills haringkat gajing riam tenrai kaba ipu ipieng kumba ar spa sau phokundai ngut kinong shat kiba kenthop ya shispa khat prangut ki samla kanthei bat shispa lai phawei ngut ki samla shenrang na keleng chong ka West Khasi Hills kilayawan ban ya shimbenta ha kani gajing shat Hakani gajing le niam lawan ban yashimbenta lang da President jangka Seng Khasi West Khasi Hills ba Priar Rentathiang bad President jangka Seng Khasi Light Artet Eastern West Khasi Hills District ba Dwik Marshalong.
Ya lại sục lại xanh cũng vui ya phi te bat yang a.
Komisi Benta ban rakhi ya ke International Nurses Day ya ka balaju rakhi manla usnem ha ka khat artarik ujemang na ka benta ban ken mau burom ya ka sngi kha jong ka Florence Nightingale ka Civil Hospital Nongpo henne ka sngi kala penlong ya ka program ha ka te ka jaka sumar haba ai jinkren henne ka sngi ka Dr. D Bla ka balong ka Medical Superintendent ka Civil Hospital Nongpo kala penpau halor ka phang pedeng jong ka ni ka chingrakhi our nurses our future the economic power of care kala ong baki nurse kilong kinong tray ki ba hakmat e ki bom khen yaladi na ka benta ban ai jing sumar ya kinong pang. Office u District Planning Officer jongka West Giant Hills harengkat ke Cingat Reilang bat ke State Council of Science and Technology and Environment Meghalaya henna ke sngi kala penlong yaki program yiko beper na ka benta ki khana school ka balong shi benta ban rakhi ya ka World Water Day bat ka World Forestry Day ya ka ni ka program la penlong ha District Library Auditorium ka ba hamenthong hakaba pra na ki shipau tali ki school kila shimbenta hakini ki jinga kop ki baken thup ya ki jinga kop kan tip tho ese draw dur bat ki wei
to announce the winners from drawing and also I am happy to announce the
Kajing kai final changka first knockout football tournament Arhajar Arphosau balapenlong da Kariboy Livestock and Supplier Association RBLSA lapenlong hinin kasngi Hamadan Umden UMLA jangka nongpo ba Meralbons im ura longkum ukong san ha kani kasngi harengkat kajinga donlang bad President jangka RBLSA ba penshingan shela kani gajing kai final kalalong hapedeng ka Soccer Sports Club bat ka Umrang Sports Club hakaba ka Soccer Sports Club kala job da laiku lanot mentangin pet ya gajing long jing man ka sun beneng hanong ba shilong Kajing shed kalong arphulai point henyo degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong khat san point san degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong henrio phok khandai na ka shispa men step bat khandai phok saw na ka shispa janmiet kajing hap slap kalong henrio millimeter kala bandon kajing hap slap ka ba malumala bat kajing tiet uperthat hakikat tu ka ni ki jaka Shwaban poi sha ka bakut jong ka thuk khubor ngin ya pet biang sa shisien ya kimat bakong san Let thep kateng umentri rang ba du kari Narendra Modi na Varanasi na kabenta ka Shuki Lok Sabha ha ka sien ka balai Kajing pentre ya kadam ha yam kala banyai beteng hadu unai tung omdan jingduna boarding hagajela ong umentri katanat boarding Yasoi soskular ke India bat Iran na kabenta ban pentri kam ya ka Shahid Bahishti Port ha Chabahar Ya kendu jing e kipat ba namar kecing bom penyeso ya ki job card bat u adhar บัดชิบุนกิจิงเป็นจัดเป็นปลายกิโลมฮาริบอยดิสทริกพระตอเกตอุดปตีคอมมิชนาติปารลอกกตุงิลปอยชากบุกตจงกระทบคูบอจิงีมันตากจันเมียดฮัดดูบางยินไดเชมเบียงบัดพีละชายกษีคุบเลยพีบารอน